Hi, I'm Maggie Hunts. Does diabetes make you crazy? I've lived with type 1 for over 30 years, and it still makes me nuts. Oh, but you don't need any help being more frustrated about diabetes. I bet you have that already handled. But don't forget, it's not impossible to walk past the bakery. I know, it might feel like it, but it's not impossible to have one instead of three. Yup. At It's a Sweet Life Now, we're going to raise your spirits, not your blood sugar. And you know, whether you have type 1, type 2, or pre-diabetes, everybody asks me, what do I eat and how do I cook it? So I want to give you 3 free chapters. They're preview chapters of my upcoming book, It's a Sweet Life Now, 2nd edition, How to Live Healthy and Happy with Diabetes. And you get tips on eating in, eating out, and get the bonus recipe chapter all free. You don't want to wait. You want to feel good now. So click on the download button. Go for it. You got this.